So we're trying to find the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. So we're going to use our slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b, where my slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We're just talking about the change in my y over my change in the x. So to find my slope-intercept form, I first want to find my slope. So in my points, this is an x value and this is a y value. This is an x value and this is a y value. This will be my first point and this will be my second point. So I've got x1, y1, the x and y values for my first point, and the x and y values for my second point. So I'm going to find my slope first. So I want to find m is equal to, and using my formula, I'm going to use y2, 8, minus y1, which is 20, over my x2 minus x1. So that's going to be 5 minus 17. So if I simplify that, 8 minus 20 is a negative 12. And 5 minus 17, that's 12 as well. Right? 5 minus 17 is also a negative 12. So I get a slope of 1. Now I just want to check that. 8 minus 20 I believe is a negative 12, and 5 minus 17 is also a negative 12, so my slope is equal to 1. So now I've got y is equal to a 1x plus b. I now need to find what that b is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take either one of these points. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose this one because it has smaller numbers. And I'm going to plug in my x and y values. So if I use this point, my y value becomes 8. So I'm going to say, all right, well, this is 8 is equal to 1. And then my x value is going to be 5 plus b. So what I'm doing at this step, plug in an xy from one of the given points. So that's what we just did there. I chose this point just simply because it had smaller numbers, but again, it doesn't matter which point you use. So I plug in 5 and I plug in 8. Now I'm going to solve for b. So this becomes 8 is equal to 5 plus b. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. The 5's cancel out. And I'm left with b is equal to 3.
I have a question.
1 second. Solve for b. And so my answer becomes y is equal to 1x plus 3. But you don't really need that 1, so I'm just going to rewrite this as y is equal to x plus 3. Alright, hold on 1 second. Alright, so that is the process. So I have the 2 points. I'm going to use this form of my line, y equals mx plus b. I know the slope formula is just the difference in my y values over the difference of my x values. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Do that work out. Got my slope, plugged it in. My m value is 1. And then I can choose either one of the points, plug in my x and y's here, solve for b, and then write out your final answer. Alright, hold on 1 second.